Hello friends, welcome back to my channel FinStop. Friends, now I am here with Basics of Stock Market series part 8 video. Friends, by watching my videos from part 1 to part 6, I hope you got a basic overview on stock market. And in the part 7th video, you might got a brief understanding on what is Demat account, why the Demat account is required, and what are the simple 6 steps to open a Demat account. So I hope you might have opened Demat account by taking any stockbroker. So you can start investing now. Before investing, you should know what are the stock market timings and how to select a particular stock by analyzing through fundamental analysis, and how to buy a particular stock at a perfect price so that you can get more returns by using technical analysis. Friends, I am going to discuss these topics in this video. Friends, if you haven't watched my part 1 to part 7 videos, please watch them. Then only watch this part 8 video so that you can get good continuation on the basics of stock market series. I am giving the video links in the description box and also in the I-bar. Friends, before going into this video, I request you to please like this video. Your every like gives me motivation, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for important notifications. Now let's get into the topic. Friends, if you want to invest or trade in the stock market, you should know the stock market timings, because only in the market hours you can buy or sell a particular share. Now let's see the stock market timings. Firstly, it will be a pre-opening session, that is in the morning 9 o'clock to 9:15 am. In this 15 minutes, there will be huge volatility due to the multiple orders placed in the previous day. During this period, you cannot take any trade. After 9:15 am, the market actually opens. Now you can place any buy order or sell order till the market closes. The market closes at 3:30 pm. In between 9:15 to 3:30 pm, you can place any buy order or sell order of your particular stock. After 3:30 pm, it will be post closing session, in which all the trades will be settled by the stockbrokers. After this session, from 4 o'clock to next day 9:15 am, you can place after market orders. These market orders will be executed in the next day morning 9:15 am. Friends, now I hope you got clear understanding of stock market timings. Now let's see the importance of fundamental analysis, which is actually required for the long term investors to select a stock and hold them for the longer period of time, say 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, or their lifetime. Now let's see what actually the fundamental analysis is. Fundamental analysis is simply a method which is used to evaluate the intrinsic value, that means the actual value of a particular stock, by analyzing all the factors that influences the stock price in the future. This form of analysis is generally based on so many factors, say external events, internal influences, financial statements, industrial trends, competitors, and market movements. This fundamental analysis can be done by using 4 steps. First one is company analysis. In this, one can check about company's past performance, its growth potential, and full details of company's management and its business model. And the next one is industry analysis. In this, we will analyze the total sectorial performance in which this company exists. And the next one is economic conditions. In this, we will analyze about company's assets, company's liabilities, cash and cash equivalents, etc. And the next one is future profit outlook. In this, we will analyze depending upon the past performance of the company, and will predict future profit growth of the particular company. This fundamental analysis can also be divided into 2 types. One is qualitative analysis, in which we will discuss about company, sector, management, promoters, industrial growth, etc. The next one is quantitative analysis, in which we will discuss about price to earnings ratio, price to book value, price to earnings with growth ratio, inventory turnover ratio, interest coverage ratio, asset turnover ratio, etc. Friends, I am going to make fundamental analysis series, in which I will going to make separate videos on each and every parameter which is required to make fundamental analysis of a particular company. Friends, this is all about fundamental analysis. Now let's discuss about technical analysis. After selecting a particular stock, one should know when to buy a particular stock and at what price he has to buy that particular stock so that he can get maximum returns out of it. These technical analysis will help the person to pick the particular stock at perfect price and at perfect time. Technical analysis also helps to exit the particular stock if the stock is not performing well. This technical analysis is used by 90% of the traders, whereas fundamental analysis is used by 90% of the long term investors. Now, let's see what actually the technical analysis is. Technical analysis is nothing but a methodology which predicts the direction of the prices by analyzing the past market data and the price action and the traded volumes. This technical analysis can be done by using several tools. They are price action, trends, support and resistance, and these three are the famous technical analysis tools and traditional also. And the next tools are moving average, MACD, RSA relative strength index tool, and Bollinger Bands, chart patterns, and there are several other tools also. Friends, in future I will make a separate playlist on technical analysis and I will explain how to use these tools for proper technical analysis. Friends, this is all about technical analysis. If you like my explanation, please like, share, comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, friends.